Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be playing the game called as Color Block. So this is a very interesting game that I have been playing a lot recently. So today I'm going to be explaining or like kind of a tutorial and just fun playing game. So let's just go inside. So this is like very interesting and very simple though. Okay, so it's very easy to say it's simple, but it's not that simple as you guys think. But maybe if you guys are pro in playing all these kind of stuff, of course you're pros, but I'm not that kind of a very good player. So yes, so this is the game, and there are a lot of colors of blocks, right? I mean the places, like yellow, red, light red, and green, white, and stuff like that. So as you guys can see at the top, there is some color that we have to go and stand on. Like if it's cyan, we have to go and stand there. So as you guys can see, everybody standing there. Whoever is not going to stand there will fall down, and they have to wait, and whoever is the winner, who is remaining the last, who didn't fall, will be the winner of the game. And then we'll get about 10 seconds, and in the 10 seconds you have to choose like butterfly mode or unicorn mode or a lot of different kinds of modes. I'll tell you guys that later. Now we can see how we could get these cool kind of pets for free. So these are free, but all these are really not free, which is not that very good. You could just take this golden trial, which is so awesome. Just like look at that. Now I like this thing. So how cute is that, right? So you could take that too, and this is for 500k likes for a giant teddy bear, so you can't get that. And there is one more thing, that if you invite your friends, you could get that. I don't know where. Yeah, this thing, this kind of like a monster, but it's kind of cute. So yeah, you could, if you want that, you could just click on it and you will get invite friends. If you just click someone, just one person to invite, for that time, yeah, there we go, it's there. So now we have to choose what mode it is. I'm going to choose like the double block mode. So the majority votes will go there. So I don't know if it should be wheelchair mode or the double block mode. So this is the invite and get reward. So if I just click that, I'm going to invite any of my friends, and that's it. I will get it. I think you guys can see. Now I have to stand in here. If I'm not standing in here, we'll fall down. As this is a double block mode, we'll get about 2 chances only in the double block mode, you guys. If it's some other mode, we won't. So I have been playing this game for a while now. So now let's see what color we get. We get pink. So just don't get confused by this magenta color and the pink color. So well, yes, there are only 3 to 4 of them are there. So light red. So this is light red, and that is the the dark red is the dark red. I mean the normal red color. So now let's see. So yeah. Now let's see where's the dark blue. Oh my god. As this is a double block mode, we get 2 chances as said. So now we are in the second block. I mean I'm in the pink, so I'm just going to wait here. So yeah. And you guys, we got the monster kind of thing. That's pretty cute, you guys, not gonna lie. And now we even have in the black block. Now let's just wait for the next color. We get yellow. Okay. Alright. I don't think there is any. Okay. Let's just see. Green. Okay. And we have this cool flare and spin, a lot of stuff. You guys can go through that later. Oh no. Oh my god, that was really close, right? Yes, now let's see what color we get. We get black. Oh my god, like that was okay. I mean I am not a very good player, as I said. So that is pretty much the game, you guys. So I hope you guys understood what this game is based on and how to play this game. So and then you have to wait for the last player who is remaining. I mean the last person who is not to fall from the color block. So yes, and these are all for free. As you guys can, this is not for free. If you just stand on it, we'll get 90 Robux. Are you guys even serious? Like, no, I'm hell not buying that. So and then here these are all for if we can donate, but a lot of people are donating like 42k. Okay, that is just leave that point, all right. So we're not even going near that. And we can even have some eggs, but I'm not buying an egg right now, so I'm just going to close that. So yeah. and this is not for free. If you get 50 wins or 100 wins or 200 wins, you can collect that. You just go near it, you could collect that, and that's it. So we'll end this from this. There are a lot of different kind of stuff like balloon mode, swagway mode, is that swagway mode, I don't know, and a lot of different kind of like unicorn modes, and yeah, a lot of different cool stuff. So yes, and starts getting harder and harder. Doesn't it look like the It movie? I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to the harder kind of scenes, right? So yeah, so we have to just stand on the color block that they have shown on the top, and we get 4 seconds time, and that is pretty much it. So that's a very cool game in my opinion, and I am in love with it. It's not as easy as it looks, so you guys better go and try it out. And it's of course in the app called as Roblox. So yeah, it's pink. All right, I'm pretty fast in this. Like, I don't know if I'll win. Like, obviously, I don't think I will. Like, there are a lot more, super duper players. So yeah, like this. Like, we have to observe where all the colors are, right? So I am not that very good. So lime green, okay. And there are 3 types of green, like the dark green, the green, and the lime green. Okay, that is pretty confusing. So the dark blue, okay, then this is the one which I got at the last game, right? I don't think so. I'm just forgetting everything. So lime green, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, let's do a flare. Okay, that's good. Spin. Purple, okay. And I lose like always. When I get to purple, I lose. I just don't know why. Luckily, I didn't lose. So, oh my god, I'm definitely gonna lose. I knew it. And there is like only 2 blocks. Come on, that is not even possible, right? So this is also not for free. You have to buy Robux for that. And yeah, okay, not definitely not. I mean, I am very happy with my free stuff, I guess. So you get big and dance for the next 10 seconds, and the next 10 seconds the next game will start, and that's pretty much how this game works. This is a really cool game in my opinion, so you guys can definitely go and try it out in the game called as Roblox. And there are thousands and crores of very amazing games in Roblox. You guys just go and download it if you haven't. I'll try to put the link in the description, or else you could just go into the Play Store and just download it and play a lot of interesting games. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and comment down below what video on the next. Bye. See you later.